Meet GoAI, your conversational AI assistant inside GoSearch. It's built to help you generate answers, summaries, and content instantly without switching tabs or chasing updates. Whether you need fast answers or deeper analysis, pick the AI model best suited to your task, from foundational LLMs to advanced reasoning engines, all with a simple toggle. You can also chat with agents, but we'll cover that in a separate video. Ask a question in natural language like, "What's the status of the last sprint?" In seconds, GoAI pulls real-time updates from across your tools, like project trackers, docs, wikis, and chats, to give you a clear, actionable answer. Want to go deeper? Ask contextual follow-up questions. GoAI delivers a concise AI-powered summary. It's perfect for sharing, reporting, or just staying in the loop without reading through full docs. Your AI assistant is about more than just answers. With GoAI, you can turn those insights into content, decisions, and next steps. GoAI understands conversation history and generates polished content for your next update, post, or email, in context and in seconds.